lower back trouble, sciatica, 12 to 15 times each side, one sit, 3 sits a day. Relax your body and relieve work fatigue. Improve circulation and sleep better. Relieve lower back pain. Relieve neck and shoulder pain. Relieve lower back pain. Relieve numbness and pain in the hips and legs. Enhance leg strength and flexibility. Stretch your lower back and hips to relieve pain. Promote pelvic circulation and improve reproductive health. Relieve neck and shoulder pain. Relieve back pain. 36 cycles each side a day. Improves circulation to the heart and lungs. Relieve stiffness and pain in the neck and shoulders. Relax, relieve tension and stress. Keep your back straight and young. Relieve lower back pain. 36 times a day. Take a 3-minute break from work. Relax muscles and joints. Soothe nerves, relieve fatigue. Improve blood circulation. Cleanse your liver of toxins and improve liver health. Improve heart circulation and prevent heart disease. 36 times each side. Help you calm down and relax. Long-term practice can relieve tension and anxiety, improve sleep. 10 to 15 minutes a day. 3 to 5 minutes in the morning and evening. Relieve chest tightness, shortness of breath, palpitation. Clean up acne on your face. Improve prostate and urination. Improves blood circulation to the uterus and ovaries. 300 times a day. 3 to 5 minutes in the morning and evening. Boost heart energy, relieve tension and anxiety. Lower high blood pressure. Improve sleep quality. Activates parasympathetic nerve, saves energy. 5 to 7 minutes a day. Improves liver function and relieves pain in the rib area. Clean blood toxins, beautify skin. pat liver meridians. Upon wake up between 1 and 3 a.m. Big temper, bitter taste, dry mouth. Improve brain circulation and prevent stroke. Improve heart circulation and prevent heart disease. 5 to 10 minutes a day. 3 to 5 minutes in the morning and evening. Relieve laryngitis. Pat gallbladder meridian. Promote bile secretion, digest protein and fat. Oily skin, oily hair, white hair, loose stool. Please vent your anger or it will hurt your liver. The throat gave out a low growl. 3 to 5 minutes one time. Relieve neck pain. Improve blood flow to the brain and relieve fatigue. 9 to 18 cycles a day. Good for all eye problems. 7 to 10 minutes a day. If you often get leg cramps, three to 5 minutes in the morning and evening. 10 to 15 minutes a day. Promote blood flow to the heart and prevent heart disease. Prevents thyroid, lung and breast tumors. Improve sleep quality. Lose belly fat. Repair lower back injury. Improve kidney function. Strengthen legs. Six cycles each side a day. Stretch conception vessels to improve visceral circulation and reproductive health. Straighten your back. Relieve lower back pain. Extend the chest for healthy lungs and breast. 6 times a day. What is the risk of stroke in the future? Please close your eyes. Step on a line. It's also good exercise.